Going to do a quick demo on my Nakamichi ZX-7 discrete head cassette deck. Going to take you through the calibration process in recording one jazz track that I like. We're going to be utilizing a TDK MA 60 cassette. I'm going to go ahead and load it up, hit the eject button here, drop it down. Step one would be to go ahead and put the deck in the record pause mode, kind of get it ready. You want to make sure that you have selected the right tape formulation setting. You have an EX, SX, and ZX button selector. We've got it selected to ZX, which is metal. We also want to make sure our equalization is set correctly, which is at 70. And we do want to make sure our Dolby noise reduction is turned off when you're doing the calibration process. Finally, on your tape monitor switch, you want it to be on tape. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and push the Azimuth button, and that starts the recording process. And as you can see by the red LED indication, we have perfect azimuth alignment. The deck is sending a 400 hertz tone through the deck. In the after it's recorded, the machine is calibrating the position of the playhead. You can manually adjust it. It's spot on. So now we're going to push the button again to take it off the azimuth alignment, and now you can physically hear the 400 hertz tone, and this is where we set our recording level, and we want it at the calibration point, which is 0, and it's spot on there as well. You can also move the monitor selector, won't hurt anything, to source, and you can hear the original test tone. There's my tape, and as you can see, it is spot on. Now we can go on to the bias, where the machine is sending out a 15 kilohertz test tone on the tape, and it's also spot on. We don't need to make any adjustments. If we did, of course, you can see how the bias selector or the ZX position is lit up red, but we're okay. Here we go. Here's the source. It's on source, no change. There's the tape, no change. So it's perfectly calibrated. And we're done. Now we just simply hit reset. The machine will automatically go right back to when we started the calibration process, and it's ready to record. At this point, now you want to go ahead and turn on your Dolby noise reduction. Of course, we're going to use C so we can eliminate any possible tape hiss. These machines are so well designed and engineered. It's incredible the dynamic range you get using Dolby. It's almost as good as CD. Going to go ahead and put the deck in the record pause mode again. We're going to queue up the track that we want to record. We'll go ahead and set the record level already, give it a little bit of output, and start the recorder, start the track. Here we go. I'll switch it back to source a couple of times just for comparison's sake. Hope you enjoyed that demo. You saw where I used the master fader to end it. Ready to go.